What is heat? All matter is made up of tiny particles called atoms. Atoms combine with other atoms to form molecules. These atoms and molecules are continually moving. Movement is a form of energy. It is called kinetic energy. And heat again is a form of energy. It is produced due to the motion of electrons, atoms and molecules. The heat energy present in any object is connected with its temperature, which consequently depends on how briskly the atoms are moving. If the object gains heat energy, its temperature rises. And if it loses heat, its temperature falls. There is an important difference between heat and temperature. Heat is a form of energy while temperature is the degree of hotness of a body. Heat is measured in joules or calories with an instrument called calorimeter, while the temperature is measured in units of degree, Celsius or Fahrenheit. With the help of thermometers, now the question arises how the substances become hot on heating. When a pot of water is heated on a stove, the rapidly moving molecules of the gases in the flame collide with it. This collision causes free electrons in the metal of the pot to collide with their neighbors, accelerating them towards the water. Eventually, this motion is imparted to the water molecules at the bottom of the pot. The hot bottom molecules now rise up and colder ones sink to take their place. This process is known as process of convection. When the water molecules are moving violently enough, bonds between them begin to break and as a result water escapes in the form of steam. In general, metals have many free electrons and hence act as good conductors of heat. Water and air have no free electrons, so they do not conduct heat, but they get heated by convection currents. Heat can travel from one place to another by three different methods: conduction, convection or radiation. In conduction, the heat is transferred from one atom to another. Free electrons act as the carriers of the heat energy. Conduction mainly occurs in solids. When we put a metal cooking pot over fire, the handle of the pot also becomes hot, even though it is not in the fire. The atoms near the fire become hot and start moving quickly. They collide with nearby atoms and pass some of their heat energy. The energy is slowly transmitted through the whole body, thus making it hot. In convection, heated matter moves from one point to another. Heating of water is an example of convection. Air also gets heated by convection currents. In radiation, heat travels from one place to another without affecting the intervening medium. Sun's heat comes to Earth by the process of radiation.